Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today I am here to give you a great tips to creating a super easy Python concept and logic. Yes, what is that logic? Yeah, to building Tic Tac toy game in Python coding using chatgpt AI tool. Is it free to get the code and is it free to creating a source code? If you are having any clarifications, this is the lecture for you. If you are new to watching this video lecture, please do subscribe now for more such a technical, great views of lectures for yourself in your mobile. So chatgpt, what it is? Yes, nowadays it is a great trending word and a great potential which is a giving for developers and all the persons in their way. So chatgpt is an open source AI tool. Really, it's answering many questions for yourself. It's a non-profit organization, open source. Write once what you want and get the answer immediately once it is analyzed. It's a tool is getting better every day. To access this chatgpt AI tool, all you need a free account, which is a Google or Microsoft too. You can sign up today. So why are you late? I'll explain you how to enter chatgpt and how to ask this Python coding. Let me test now. Go to Google and super easily you have to go over here to enter chatgpt. Yes, at the first link we landed here. So click on first link. Here this is an optimizing of the language models for dialogue. This is a greatly which is going to be making another world which are like artificial intelligence. So try today. This when I click the try chatgpt in the previous window, it is taking me in the next window. It's a dashboard. If you are already logged in chatgpt free account, you will be here. If not, it will ask you chatgpt sign up. Please do the sign up to make wonders what you feel your questions in your mind. Yes, it's like a friend. It's like a super senior. And it's like a teacher. It's like a guide. What you need to make a master in your skill. So all you need to ask a questions here. So this lecture I'm trying to asking my chatgpt AI robot tool to build a Tic Tac toy game in Python. Just I'm sending a message to this AI tool. Just I'm eagerly waiting what response I'll get from this. It's analyzing the query. And it's like a neural networks which are controlled and connected. It will give us like a real-time program what we require. If you are not satisfied with that answer, there is a provision to regenerate. Yes, regeneration option is also there. Wow, it is initiated. Here is a simple implementation of Tic Tac toy in Python. So Python, it's a game code itself it is writing. How super easily the logic is going to be building by using a AI tool. Maybe you are having some clarification. May I use this source code for my personal use? Absolutely. You can use this source code as free for your implementations or extending your logical level of programming. I am suggesting here for a simple game code I asked and requested to the chatgpt. It is implementing. If you are having any doubts or clarifications in your mind other than coding and daily day-to-day activities, why don't you ask today? So let's see now here how the construction is happening here, the code. So it is a taken a variable and a function print board. So the print rows and like a different statements it is given, and player move, it's a function, and the logic is implemented using if-else statements. If you know the basics of Python, how to write and how to like a basic syntax, if you know, that is more than enough to understand the code and utilize and run and test yourself. If ChatGPT is giving a bunch of code, a particular program, if you don't know how to use this code, there is no use. So be strong on basics of any particular area, not only Python, not only Java or JavaScript, or which you like, any programming language or any front-end technology or any testing, as your wish. And even database for data sciences, analytical skills for Excel, whatnot. Strongly remember to build your career as master. So, if you are really looking for a basic understandings of programming language from scratch, visit our channel. There is a description below is there for real time how the expertise is prepared for industry experts. These lectures will acquire more than others the basics of programming languages skills we are already did and added in the online courses readily available for yourself. Have a look into that course and check the demo preview lectures. If it is understandable and you are reaching, then you choose it. And every lecture you need to practice in your own way. Then only you will be master in coding skills. So see, it's taking while loop and even it's really like a challenging, like a complex game of Tic Tac toy. Yes, hopefully it is finished right now. So go to the top, copy code. Yes, entire code is copying. And I am launching my local area PyCharm now. Here I'll run and test this code. Let's see what the wonders we are going to see now. So if you really want to make a master in your area, you have to try today. Just I given a name as Tic Tac. Just I pasted the code what I have taken from here, which is the chatgpt AI tool is generated. Now let me run this program. Run. PyCharm ID is absolutely free. We can use it. Enter a move. Your turn, player 1. Enter your move like something like I'll give like 6. Hit enter. Enter player 2. Enter your turn like a 4 I'll give. Wow. System turn, my turn, like how it is making really awesome thing we are going to learning over here. How super easily we can learn this lecture and practice your way. This is the Tic Tac game is done. Tic Tac toy. Why don't you try today and ask many things in ChatGPT to learn many ways. I hope it's a super easy and it's a useful to you. If you feel, please do subscribe now for such type of great techniques we are going to sharing on every day to day. Thanks for your support. Thank you.